So in this Pages tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert a text box here inside the Pages application. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Pages document. Once that is done, simply just go to the top bar here to where it says insert table, chart, etc. and where it says text right here. Simply just go ahead and hover over top of it where it says add a text box to this document. Nice and simple. Just press on the T right here. Now your text box is right here. So if you want to make your text box, if you want to move it around, just grab the text box right here. You can move it wherever you want. If you want to make it larger or smaller, you can grab the corner and do exactly that. Or you can make it as wide or as narrow as you want as well. So once that is done, you can simply just put it right there. If I want to type in some text here, I'll just type in the word text box just like that. I will then make the font a little bit larger in size, so it's a little bit easier to see just like that. And as always, once you press on the text box, you can sort of move it wherever you want, all over your screen. You can get creative as well. You can change the style. You can change, the text, whatever the case may be. It is completely up to you. So, super simple, super straightforward. This is how to insert a text box here in the Pages application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.